Students, tomorrow I am going to discuss about narration. Narration is two types: direct narration or speech, indirect narration or speech. Direct speech has two parts. One is outside the inverted commas, which is called reporting speech, and other is within the inverted commas called reported speech. Let us see the example. He said to me, I play football. He said to me, this is called reporting speech. I play football, reported speech. In reporting speech, said is called reporting verb. In reported speech, play is called reported verb. Note, in case of indirect speech, the reported speech will change depending on reporting verb. See the example. He says to me, I go to school. Says to sentences tells me that he goes to school. Reporting verb says and reported verb go. Both are present tense, so verb not changes, but s or es added with the verb. Because subject he is third person singular number. He said to me, I drink tea. He told me that he drank tea. Said to changes to told. Drink changes to drank. If the reporting verb is past tense and reported verb is present tense, reported verb changes to past tense except universal truth, general truth or habitual activity. The teacher said to me, the sun rises in the east. The teacher told me that the sun rises in the east, but not right rose. Why? Because the sun rises in the east is a general truth. Now, look this one. This one you learn by heart. This, that, today, that day, today, that day, today, that day. Now, then, ago, before, this, those, tomorrow, the next day, yesterday, the previous day, last week, the previous week or previous week, next week, the following week. Wait. Now let us discuss according to the assertive sentence. Say, says, say to tell, says to tells, said, said to told. In case of assertive sentence, you know that assertive sentence means assertive and negative sentence altogether are called assertive sentence. We are discuss about assertive sentence in case of narration. Anup said milk is white. Anup said that milk is white. Is not changes to was because milk is white is general truth. Anup said, I am a doctor. Anup said that he was a doctor. Am changes to was. I said to him, I am playing football now. I told him that I was playing football then. Now changes to then. And am changes to was. One thing remember that if the reporting verb is past tense and reported verb or reporting speech is present continuous changes to past continuous tense. He said to me, I do not play football. He told me that he did not play football. Do not changes to did not. After writing did not, no need to write the verb past tense. He said to me, I can play football. He told me that he could play football. After could, no need to write verb play past tense. He said to me, you can play. He told me that I could play. One thing remember, if in reported speech subject is you, then you see the reporting speech last one. If there is me, then I. If there is him or male person, then he. If there is her or female person, then she. If there is us, then we. If there is them, then they. People said, I went to school yesterday. Here, said is past tense, went is also past tense. If both verb are past tense, then in indirect narration that changes to past perfect tense. Past perfect tense means had. After writing had, verb is always third form. Okay, if any difficulty, then call me. Next video, send tomorrow.